Hey, what's up? This is Sam Vasquez, and this is the Unit 8 final for Algebra 1. And for the first two problems, I'm going to be doing number 2. And this is simply just asking, explain what happened from the original function, right? So all that's happened here is that the x is being moved to the left because of the plus 4, and when you add something directly to x, it's the opposite. So if it's plus 4, you go to the left 4, almost as if it was minus 4. That's just how it is. I know it's confusing, right? And then x is also being moved up 1 due to this. And all of the points of x are being multiplied by -2, so that's why this is going down, and it is more narrow than this original function. So this -2 is causing all these points to be multiplied by -2, thus being more narrow, and also just going down instead of going up. So yeah, that's it.